How do you stop someone from taking screenshot on your Instagram story? Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you stop someone from taking screenshot on your Instagram story. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Instagram app on your device. Okay, so after you open the Instagram app with your logged in account, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here, you'll have to go with the option 3 line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the section like who can see your content. So from here, you can set your privacy or content related setting on this who can see your section. So simply from here, you'll have to go with the option account privacy. Alright, so now from this section, you will be able to switch your account to private. So simply you can go with the options to secure your account for the privacy concerns. So simply tap on this. Okay, so now from here you can know that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. So from here you can set the privacy after clicking on this switch to private option. Right now I have the creator account, so I can make it private. So in your case, you will be able to this. And now from here you'll have to just back, and in the close friends section you'll be able to add your close friend on this close friend section, so you can add anyone to his close friend. And now after that, while you are trying to post something on your Instagram story or photos, you will be able to add some close friend option there. So here it is. Alright, so now when you are trying to upload some reel or story on your Instagram, you'll be able to find the options like audience. So from here you can set the audience, like here is the setting for everyone. So now from here you can go the option close friend. So simply tap on this, and now from here you can also add the close friend to this close friend section. So from here you'll be able to stop someone taking from a screenshot on your Instagram stories. So this is the easiest and simplest method to secure your account from the unnecessary screenshot from the anonymous account. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.